Hi everybody. It's been 6 weeks since I started the Time-Wise Repair journey with Mary Kay Cosmetics, and I really feel some improvement in my skin. And if you see the before and after pictures that I'm putting in the blog, I think you'll see it too. So today I'm just going to do a quick little time lapse of my morning routine, show you once again what I've been doing for the past 6 weeks, and if you read the blog it'll have a little more information. So welcome back to my bathroom, and here we go. And there you have it. My new look. My skin feels healthy. I feel healthy. I've lost 18 pounds. And I'm going to continue to take care of both the insides and outsides of this fabulous 50s, 60s body. So thanks for going on the journey with me, and I hope you'll read the blog and maybe give it a try yourself. Thanks. Bye.